Hi, this is 2 a.m. in the morning. We are at Goa, listening to the sound of waves at 2 a.m. It's a very nice, beautiful experience being at Grand Hyatt Goa. This is in front, we have an ocean, the beautifully architectured hotel of Grand Hyatt Goa, the view at night, the beautiful lightings, beautiful architecture, and the amazing experience at Grand Hyatt Goa. And the best part is being at that property is to sit on this desk. The desk is the old style desk right in front of the ocean, and you can listen to the sound of waves. In Goa, you have so much amazing experiences at different places, and this is one of the best in Goa. We will be having tens and probably hundreds of experiences of Goa you can have when you plan your visits to Goa. So we are starting this on 8th of January 2021. My name is Love Ahuja, into the travel, investment and a textile business. Travel is a passion. We are one of the best hotel consolidators in Goa with best deals. We organize events, parties, weddings in Goa. So, being at this place in Grand Hyatt Goa is the first day when we have started this series, and will continue with hundreds of experiences in Goa. Purposefully, the sound waves recording I'll continue for next 5 minutes, and it will be complete silence during that time to have this beautiful experience at Grand Hyatt Goa at 2 a.m. So one of the nice experiences in Goa is to be at Grand Hyatt Goa. Enjoy the architecture, enjoy the stay, the food, and at night time enjoy this desk. sitting here, listening to the sound of waves and discovering yourself, being with your love, sharing the ideas, sharing creativity, sharing love. God bless. Om Shanti.